Hi guys, today I will unbox the video. I'm Yasir. This is the new STC One e9s Dual S SIM. You can see this principal sponsor is Kings 11 Punjab and STC. You can see the closer look of the STC. You can see specifications. STC.com. Platform is Android with STC Sense, and the CPU 8x15 GHz octa-core processor. SIM card type dual SIM nano SIM. Memory 16 GB, RAM 2 GB. Card micro SD card slot up to 2 TB is more than more. Display is 5.5 inch SD 720p, and sound is STC boom sound with Dolby audio. You can see the camera. Main camera is 13 mega autofocus, and the rear is front camera is STC ultra pixel. Connectivity is 3.5 mm stereo audio jack, and the jack audio 4.1 Wi-Fi 4G LTE enabled GPS GABS. Okay, see the packaging. The actual price is on the box is 23,500, but I will buy on Snapdeal, so it will give me 20,000 rupees. The color is meteor gray. You can see this. My color is this. Large and slim design. Okay, let's open the STC e9s. See the box. Very dotted box. STC One e9s Dual SIM. Looking so nice. The STC mobile. Open the box. You can see the STC closer a little bit later. Firstly, you can see the earphone, and the back cover is also provided. See the charger. See this, how ampere is this? STC logo. 0.1 1 ampere charger. This is not a fast charger, travel charger, simple charger. And this is the data cable. How to eject SIM, safety guide, regulatory guide, license. Okay, so go to the mobile. You can see the back cover, STC transparent back cover, looking so nice. See the STC One e9s meteor gray, classy look. See the classy look. 13 MP camera with LED flash, STC logo, volume key, power button, STC logo, another dual speaker, ultra HD. Open the mobile. See, another screen guard is also. As you see now, the mobile is now open. The mobile is very handy, and the mobile weight is 165 gram. Not heavy, but medium. Okay, put in the cover. See this. One second. Yes. Okay. See the logo. Drop down, up, down. STC 7.0 Sense, Android Lollipop provided. And check the camera now. See the closer look of the camera. The camera is so nice. If I looking, yes, camera is so good, so pretty. So thank you for watching. I'm Yasir Raza.